Hello and welcome to this lesson of Mastering Java, Lesson 16. We're going to start talking about for loops. Combined with the if statement that we learned recently, the for loop is one of the most used, most common, most powerful parts of any programming language, especially Java. And so we have the for loop appear inside the comment, the general formula of it. Basically, you're doing a bunch of stuff over and over and over again as long as the loop condition holds true. So inside of your definition, you're going to initialize some counter variable. You're going to continue doing this loop as long as some condition is met, and then you're going to increment or decrement your loop variable. And so everything inside of the for parentheses is sort of trying to tell you how you're starting your loop and when you're going to end up stopping your loop is effectively what this is. Now, what do you do inside of your loop? For these very simple for loops is going to be the single statement that we have here. Later on, we'll learn how to make more complicated loops that can do more things. But for now, we'll just do the one statement. So for instance, let's create an integer called counter, right? So this is a variable that we're going to use to control our loop. So again, lots of things in programming can be done manually, but what if you had to output a lot of stuff to the screen? And so you could put a bunch of different print statements, but that would be inefficient. So what if I wanted to loop through and print something to the screen over and over again? So the way I might do that is I might say for. Now in the initialization, I have to initialize my counter variable somewhere. So let me start it at 0, okay? And I'll put a semicolon, and now I have to have a condition. This is going to tell me how long or under what conditions will this loop continue to execute. So let's continue as long as counter is less than or equal to 10. Now we have to increment, or you can